online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with news that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions has recommended that charges be laid against Chairman of the Police Officers Association, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron.
The revelation came this afternoon from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
Details in this report.
Director of Public Prosecutions, Claudette Thompson, confirmed with our news center that SSP Wayne Cameron will be charged with fraudulent conversion and larceny as a public servant. The issue stems from concerns raised by Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake about the finances of the Police Officers Association. In a sworn affidavit filed in response to a legal challenge by SSP Cameron, the Commissioner said the last POA annual general meeting in 2022 revealed glaring contradictions and irregularities in the association's unaudited financial accounts. SSP Cameron was the only executive member with access to POA's bank accounts. The affidavit also noted that he refused to hand over control to the Secretary-Treasurer despite repeated requests. The Commissioner last year declared the chairmanship of the POA vacant, a move which was challenged by SSP Cameron. A meeting of the association had to be halted after SSP Cameron challenged the Commissioner's move to replace him. The Financial Investigation Division has also been called in to investigate the alleged irregularities. The probe involved the movement of POA members' funds to personal accounts. Lakinsky Robinson, TVJ News.